Upholstery, a craft rooted in tradition, echoes the techniques and artistry of centuries past. In France, artisans embrace methods dating back to the 18th century, preserving heritage through time-honored practices.
En France, on sait travailler comme au XVIIIe siècle, on a les mêmes méthodes. On travaille aussi avec les matériaux actuels. L'avantage de notre métier, c'est qu'on travaille dans différents endroits, en fin de compte, tant dans des châteaux, en fin de compte, que chez des particuliers. Et on sait réadapter des tissus, en fin de compte, d'époque. On peut même en reposer en tenture murale, quoi.
The dedication to authenticity is evident in their approach, where historical documentation meets contemporary materials, a fusion of old and new. The restoration of fabrics from bygone eras, even the revival of wall tapestries, embodies their commitment to preserving heritage.
Here, I would not say we have a lot of new technology, because we're really on the way that we traditionally do the sewing and the chairs and seating and so on. I think it's the trademark a bit of this workshop.
Their hallmark lies in the handcrafted approach. Every stitch, every finish bears the mark of a traditional craftsmanship.
Everything from cutting to sewing and preparing everything. We do mostly cushions, all the works that are connected to what they are doing with the seating, and then the standard decorative cushions, the standard works of draperies and so on.
It's a meticulous artistry, a labor of love that spans from intricate chair sewing to the creation of decorative cushions and draperies, a testament to their versatile skill set. Meet Jérôme, whose journey into upholstery was a shift from architecture, finding fulfillment in the creativity and the perpetual learning this craft offers.
Yeah, I started working in upholstery as an architect before. Then I trained as an upholsterer in home deck sewing, and that's how I started quite late, in fact, because before I did something else, and now I'm doing this job for 4 months, 5 months.
Upholstery isn't merely about fabric. It's an intricate dance between tradition and innovation, where each stitch, each creation, weaves a story of heritage and artistry.